Hi, Mom.
Hi. Cindy from Backyard City Homestead here. It has been a hot summer here in Edmonton, and we have been making a lot of lemonade, more than probably ever before in my life. And we're doing something else that I've never done before in my life, and that is using the whole lemon, like peel and everything. That is new for me. And who knew that not only is the peel super nutritious, but it's actually delicious. So if you want to learn how to make classic lemonade with a fun twist, then stay tuned. Hi, it is very hot in my part of the world. It is like 35 above Celsius. That might not be hot for my Texas cousins, but that is stinking hot for us people in central Alberta. And so we need some lemonade. And I just learned a new way of making lemonade from my friend Kathy Wood. So I'm going to start with some ice, and I am putting in fresh lemon. So I'm going to actually put in a whole lemon that I have cut into quarters just to make it easier. And I'm going to put a little bit of water in, some lemon. I've got some ice and some lemon. Going to put in some water. And now it's going to be very noisy. Sorry about that. Okay, it's not quite ready, but I am going to put in some freeze-dried strawberries. And this is the bottom of the can, so there's a little bit of powder in there, which is fine. So I don't have any fresh strawberries in my garden right now. If I did, I would use them. But this is the next best thing to fresh out of your garden. Far superior to whatever I could buy in the grocery store. So let's do that. And I'm going to put in a little bit of sugar. I have a quarter of a cup here, which would be perfect for that amount. If you like more, then go ahead. Okay, so I've got the sugar in there. Let me just do one last. I put some more ice in. Okay, I don't hear any more ice being crunched up, so I'm gonna assume it's done. Let's just have a quick taste. Oh, that's nice. You know what, that's just enough sugar for me. I don't wanna do any more than that. In fact, you might even wanna try a little bit less and then add more. Easier to add more than to take it away. So, let me show you how easy was that. So obviously this is not a clear lemonade, it's more of a slushy lemonade. But how beautiful is that? You could put rhubarb in there, you could put blueberries in there when they're in season, raspberries would be nice, but for right now it's strawberry lemonade. Strawberry lemonade slush. Enjoy. Hi, I hate to sound like I'm always complaining, but it is stinking hot in this house. It is hot everywhere. The only thing I want to do in this kitchen is make lemonade. Hi, Dan. So I'm going to do it. I got a fan here pointing to me, making this barrel. I want to make some more lemonade because that's what I'm doing these days, is making lemonade. I've got some ice in the blender, and I am going to I quartered a lemon. So I'm putting that in. And I'm going to sweeten it with, last time I did some strawberries, but I thought, you know what? The sky's the limit, right? You can do anything. This is rhubarb sauce that I made the other day when it was not so hot. And there is sugar in it, so I'm not gonna put any sugar in it because I think that's enough. If I have to add a little bit after, I will. I'm not opposed to it. And then I'm gonna put in a little bit of water and a lot of ice. This will be like a slush. And then I will bring it to the people that are sitting outside in the shade playing Game of Racco with Grandma Great. Here's the noise, sorry about that. Can't do without it though. Okay, let me just give it a quick taste. That is really good. I do think I do need to add a little tiny bit more sugar. Okay, I have about 1 tablespoon in here. I'm gonna add about half of that to begin with. And I don't really, that's kind of a nice rosy color, but I was thinning my carrots today. And do you know that carrot tops are edible? When they get really old, when you pick the carrots, they're kind of not very good. But when they're young, when you're just thinning them out, they're actually kind of sweet. And there's more vitamin C in the carrot top than actually in the carrot. So I'm gonna just throw just a little bit in because it's quite lemony and I think that it will overpower whatever taste that gives. Okay, that's perfect. It's not the most beautiful color, but their grandkids, they'll eat it. I mean, they'll drink it. So let's just give it a legitimate taste. So plain lemonade or lemon or strawberry lemonade. In this case, it's rhubarb lemonade with just a hint of the secret ingredient. It's delicious. Hey Dan, want to try some lemonade?
Love to. Well, it smells, it tastes as good as it smells.
It smell lemony?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, that's good.
Guess what else is in it?
Probably parsley or some green thing.
It's carrot tops.
Why is that not surprising?
Could you taste them?
Mm-hmm.
Good. All right, I'll pour some for the kids. That's delicious. Okay, thanks for joining me. So, you can make any kind of rhubarb, any kind of lemonade you want, and that apparently is what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the summer. Have a good day. Hey, just a sec. Yeah? Do you want to try some lemonade?
Oh, sure.
Here, do you want
On camera.
Here. Yeah, you're on camera. You gotta do it on camera. This is Annie.
That's really good.
Should I pour some for you and Isaac and Grandma Great?
Sure.
Okay, good. Glad you liked it.
Yeah. That's a good question.
Okay.
So Grandma Great was running around in the basement. Is that cool?
Sure. After the lemonade, okay?
Yep.
Okay, all right. Now I'll say goodbye. And today I am making watermelon lemonade because I had some watermelon that was getting a little bit ripe and we couldn't eat it fast enough, so I froze it. So I put some ice in it and the watermelon, a little bit of water, and let's see how it goes. Okay, that's about it. I am gonna put a little bit of sugar in just to sweeten it a little. All right, let's give it a try. That's perfect. It's a little lemony, but it's lemonade. That's okay. So that much lemon, 1 lemon, a little bit of ice, a little bit of water. I don't even know how much water, like maybe 3 cups, 4 cups water at the most, is going to give me enough for 3 or 4 cups of these. 3 or 4 glasses of these. I have company coming. They're on their way. And now I'm doing raspberry lemonade. So, starting with the lemons, quartered, just putting it on the ice. And I'm gonna put some water in it. And it seems a little redundant. It's always the same, but it's so easy. Okay, so we just want to make sure that all of the lemon peel is chopped up so that we don't get a big mouthful of lemon peel. So I have fresh raspberries here, a few blueberry bits in here, and I'm gonna just put those in. Did you get a good picture of that, Sandy? Mm-hmm. Beautiful. So this is gonna be sour as heck. We'll see how much sugar we need after we put the raspberries in. Raspberries are a little bit tart too. That's really sour. 2 tablespoons of white sugar. We'll see how that does. Let's see. I'm gonna put a little bit more sugar in. Hang on. Okay, I'm actually gonna do something, because believe it or not, it's not lemony enough. So I'm gonna actually put in some. Okay, so it's called Classic Lemonade, and it is freeze dried. It's actually lemon oil and a base of, I don't know, too much, non-GMO cane sugar. When you taste it, it's very sour. For all intents and purposes, it is not sweetened, but it is in a base of something. So let's see how that does. Okay, let's try it. It's beautiful. So you can make any kind of lemonade you want just with a basic lemon, and it's so quick and so easy, and the sky's the limit. It's whatever you happen to have in your yard or garden. I hope you try some of this. Thanks for joining me. Bye. Can you see that, Sandy? Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. It almost doesn't even look like it could possibly be real raspberry color. Hey, Deborah, do you want to come and try it on camera? No. No? She says no. Well, I'm going to try it. About 20 slices. Wow, that is so flavorful. Sorry. So, that's okay. So full of raspberry flavor. Did you know there's more vitamin C in the lemon peel than there is in the actual lemon? I don't know why I was surprised to hear that. But who actually eats the lemon peel? It's kind of bitter. But if you do it this way, then you can actually benefit in every single way from the lemon. And I find that by putting ice in it and making it a little bit slushy, then I'm using all of the pulp too, and it all kind of gets lost in the slurry of the ice. If I wanted a clear lemonade, I would have to strain that out. And there's a lot of nutrients and value in that too. So I don't want to do that. Of all the things that I have tried so far, I have to say that my favorite is probably the raspberry. Although I just thought today I haven't done it with black currants yet. And I still have some black currants on the bush. So maybe that'll be my next one. I hope you'll try it. And I hope you'll switch it up and try a few things. And let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments what you've tried. And let me know what is your favorite. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hi. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. I'd love to hear about it. If you have any comments, I'd love to hear them. If you liked it, do me a favor and click the like button. If you know somebody who would benefit from it, then definitely share it with them. And if you'd like to know more about these sorts of things, then stick around.